My people, e don finally burst o. No be small thing. For this video wey you dey watch now, they say that Hope Ụzødinma, the governor of Imo State, e don finally go bring Uwazuruike house down o. No be small thing o. Uwazuruike don come outside. They come talk say, this one wey Hope Ụzødinma do, you no go gree o. No be small thing, my people. Make we go find out how this thing take dey happen. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Eziokwu still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. Make sure say you share this video and leave your own opinion for inside comment section. Guys, don't forget to follow all our social media handles. Remember to follow us as well for TikTok with Balabas Gist on our logo. The way you see us here is where we are there also. Yeah, my wonderful people, let's quickly jump into the matter where we get for our hand today. As we dey talk right now, they say that the governor of Imo State, wey they call Hope Ụzødinma, he don find am go where Uwazuruike dey o, go bring one of him house for inside Owerri down. No be small thing o. Uwazuruike don come outside now, come tell Hope Ụzødinma say in dey fight for Biafra and he's not backing down. He say Biafra must come and that is wetin they fight for. Say for this one wey him do now, he no go gree o. My people, let me leave the video so that you go watch the full video and hear everything wey happen for here. And they say one bishop follow put hand for this thing wey happen. How come now bishop come follow for the people wey dey sell land or people wey dey do wuru for inside land? My people, watch this video before we go come back, come proceed.
Good afternoon, everyone. As usual, my name is Uwazuruike. As you can see this afternoon, Governor Hope Ụzødinma sent his men, OCDA, Owerri Capital Development Authority, to come and demolish my house. You can see. I have been on this house for the past 11 years now or more, precisely in 2012. I have been here since 2012. Before Hope Ụzødinma became the governor of Imo State, I came in here. I have been here for 11 years now, before he became a governor. Around 2016, some people came up to say that this place belonged to them. We went to court. They went through the back about a year ago or so, obtained judgment without any service to us. Jankara judgment, Oluwole judgment, without serving us. So immediately they obtained the judgment. We went to the Court of Appeal to question the veracity of the judgment they got, to ask the Court of Appeal to quash the judgment. Immediately we went to Court of Appeal. One Archbishop Lucius Ugoji started asking for my number. My lawyer told me that Archbishop Lucius Ugoji was asking for my number, that he wanted to speak to me. I said, give him my number. He gave my number to that bishop. That bishop called me to say that he is interested in this place. I told him that this place is in the Court of Appeal. Then I started thinking, just about a year ago, immediately he came into him and said, they got Jankara judgment against me without serving me. I then knew that it was his handwork. I told him, I said, you are dressed. This place is in the Court of Appeal. You know what he told me? He said, do you want the two of us to start fighting over land? That's what Archbishop Lucius Ugoji asked me. It's on record. He asked me, do you want the two of us to start fighting over land? I told him, I said, you are dressed, I don't know you, I have not seen you before. I have been on this land since 2012. I don't know how you feel I should fight over land with you, the land that belongs to me. He says, okay, we shall see. He ended the call. After about 1 week, Governor Ụzødinma sent somebody to talk to me. As a matter of fact, he sent Professor Morrissey, the former INEC chairman, to talk to me, asking me to go and discuss with Archbishop Lucius Ugoji and his group. I said, His Excellency, he should tell His Excellency that this land is in the Court of Appeal. I am a lawyer. A matter that is in the Court of Appeal should not be taken to any other place. As a matter of fact, a matter that is in court cannot be taken to any other place for settlement unless we get the leave of the court. Unless both parties will get the leave of the court to settle the case out of court. Immediately afterwards, men of OCDS started pasting demolition notice in this place. First, they gave 21 days notice. We continued furnishing them with the details that this matter is in the Court of Appeal. Bring more documents. All these are from the Court of Appeal. All these documents, Court of Appeal. All these documents. So lately they came with 7 days notice. They came with this 7 days notice. So we continue telling them that this case is in the Court of Appeal. We went to the OCDA. As a matter of fact, I went with my lawyer to OCDA to say, this case is in the Court of Appeal. We submitted all the particulars to them. About 3 days ago, we went to the Court of Appeal to get an injunction, motion on notice. You can see the motion of notice against the respondents, asking them, come to Court of Appeal and prove why you are using the governor and OCDA to come and demolish a property that is in the Court of Appeal. We served them. I personally sent the messages, these particulars, to the governor himself through his WhatsApp address. I sent to both Maurice Wu, to both Anyehe, to the governor, the chief of staff, to the governor. I sent to all of them. I sent to even the DSS director, telling them this matter is in the Court of Appeal. You don't need to demolish this place that is in the Court of Appeal. But today, this afternoon, you see, irrespective of all the documents, all the motions, everything, showing that the matter is in the Court of Appeal, they came here and demolished this facility. A place I built in 2012. I've been since 2012 up to date in this place, and you came to destroy it. For what reason? What have you got to do with a plot of land that belongs to someone? Am I a foreigner? Am I not from Imo State? Am I not from Igbo land? Why must I be treated this way? Yes, I am fighting for Biafra, through non-violence. You cannot drive me away. I'm not willing to go on exile. I cannot. I will be here. I know you people are working for some other people and some other interests. And so what? And so what? You can't kill all of us who are talking about Biafra. I'm not running to any place. I will never go on exile. I'm here. I'm here. And nobody will kill all Igbos. Nobody will kill all Igbos. Nobody will kill Biafra. Whether you like it or not, you will continue to hear about Biafra.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be smart, as you don't watch out for that video. Hope Ụzødinma and Uwazuruike. This one, you go be like Popo. Hope Ụzødinma, how you take carry yourself? Go where Uwazuruike do. But Uwazuruike do on your own. No be smart, my people. May you put mouth for this matter and also leave your own opinion for inside comment section. Don't forget to share this video and make sure say you follow this page for more updates as you dey hot. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We dey there, they wait for that. Okay, my people, we'll quickly catch you for the next update as it dey hot. Share this video, very important.